also, if you are a normal person and if you write something, or for example your name, if you write on the paper, so what's the value of that paper? Maybe it's zero. Okay. But at the same time, if any politician, for example our honor prime minister or any hero heroine writes their name on the paper, so what's the value of that thing then? So maybe it's more than lakhs and crores, right? So so that's why I'm just saying it's not about a paper, it's about our value. So
So we will just introduce ourselves first little bit, okay, and then we will start with the group discussion. Okay, so I'll introduce myself. So I'm Vishwadeep Ingade, and I'm from speakworld24.com. Okay. Vikash, you just introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Vikas Naik. Currently, I'm pursuing IT Final Engineering from KK College, Nashik.
uh,
Okay. Nikhil, can you please?
Yes, this is Nikhil.
It's okay. Okay. Whatever you can say. Yes.
This is Nikhil Sudhakar Ambudkar, Adwell at New Nashik, Maharashtra, India. I have learning Polytechnic, KK Polytechnic in Nashik. Just I have learning in career diploma in branch of electronics.
Okay. 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 Good. Swaroop.
yeah, okay. So this is Shaurup and I'm from Kolkata. Basically I'm a first year student, no sorry, second year student of economics from IGNU University. And yeah, and I'm also from speaker24.com.
So Swaroop will tell us about the topic, and then we will discuss on that. Okay. Yes, Swaroop.
Yeah, okay, fine. So basically, mm, I think we are here, means we have been learning spoken English. So today's topic is very straightforward. So we are going to, take up a specific thing and we are going to describe that thing in order to practice our communication skill and all this stuff. So basically today, tell you one thing. When I uh, went to one university, so they asked me to, they gave me a paper to in a creative way. Whatever you can do, you can do with that paper and just describe that paper. So basically that topic is the same, very pretty much. We have to talk about paper and what are the usage and all those stuff in a creative way, not all those stuff like that, yeah, it's made out of woods and all those stuff. We have to use our little bit creativity and we have to say some crucial point about paper, the white blank paper. And yeah, that is the thing. Okay. And we are going to give, means you will tell only 2 points, I'm going to tell only 2 points, this type of thing. So this is how we are going to practice. And this is a random topic and very sounds very immature topic, that what you are talking about. So but actually it will force you to think something different and outside of the box to explain your idea about paper, basically a blank white paper, what you can say, because there is nothing much to say about a blank paper. But when you are emphasizing that thing, that time you will understand, yeah, you have to think a lot in order to communicate. So this is how we are going to improve our communication skills. So that is the main motto of this session. So yeah, that's gonna be the topic for this.
Okay.
Okay.
So did you understand the topic? It's just a blank paper. Okay, and we have to talk about that paper. Okay, so
Just
Swaroop, can
can
we
I ask
start?
one question?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
You wanna ask something?
Yes, yes. Yeah, yeah. Definitely.
I don't have any idea GD.
Like about,
Okay.
hello?
Let me give you an example. Okay. That would be fine. Yes. Vikas and Nikhil.
I understand what is the topic, but something not understanding to Nikhil, I think.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah, yeah. Nikhil, ask me. What is the problem?
sir,
What do
I
you wanna
don't have
learn?
any idea. What
Okay.
is the cheating?
Yeah, it's nothing. Means it's like a thing in terms of a game. Okay. So means this is the topic you understand. You got na topic.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So this is the topic. So for example, because you don't have that much idea, so I'm gonna start. Okay. So I'll be telling you 2 points regarding a blank paper, and then you will get a better idea that how you gonna describe your thought. Okay, all those things. So this is the thing, and when would be your term, so that time you will be describe only 2 points. What do you think that, yeah, what are the uses, and yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm. Yeah, all those things. Yeah, that is the thing basically. Means I'm going to
Okay.
present my thoughts and my creative thoughts regarding paper, and then you will describe your thoughts, and then Nikhil, Vikas, means everyone going to describe their perspective and thoughts regarding the paper. Okay, so that is the basic thing. No debate, nothing. Whatever you could find, you will tell.
Okay. Okay, Harsh. Can you hear us?
I
Harsh,
guess is that.
you're on mute. Okay, just unmute yourself.
Okay, then.
Harsh, can you please introduce yourself, your name and your education, and where are you from? That one. Yes.
Okay, my name is Haridulam. I'm from Telangana state. In
Okay.
Telangana state, district is Jangan. And about my studies, I did my graduation at Warangal in Telangana only. And right now I am preparing for masters. So that is the flow. That's it. That's all about
Yeah.
me.
Okay, fine. And
Okay.
so have you understood the topic?
Yeah, hello. Sorry, I didn't get anything.
So, okay, let me explain it. So, basically, it's a group discussion that is happening right now, and the topic. Do you understand? No? Group discussion.
Yeah. I know, but what about?
Yeah, and the topic is gonna be something very normal yet very effective. Like, yeah, the topic is going to, for example, think that you went to a coaching center, they gave you a single white blank paper and asked you to explain this paper in your language in a creative way,
In my native language.
not in your native language, obviously, in English.
Okay.
Okay, because the main agenda of this session is to improve our communication skill and English fluency. That's all.
Then great. Okay, Swaroop, can we start now?
Yeah, I guess we're good to go.
Okay. So who is interested to initiate?
Okay, let me start because I guess
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
we
No
are
problem.
going to give
Yeah.
them the clarity what we are actually talking about.
Yeah.
Okay, so so okay, so basically when we think about the white blank paper, so what comes to our mind first? So basically it's made out of the bamboo trees and a couple of other kind of trees as well, and it's very cheap. Anyone can afford it, anyone can buy it. Okay, but my point of view about paper is that it's the true value measurement of yourself. So what does it mean by that? So basically, for example, let me give you an example. So if you are a normal person and if you write something, or for example, your name, if you write on the paper, so what's the value of that paper? Maybe it's zero. Okay. But at the same time, if any politician, for example, our honor prime minister or any hero, heroine writes their name on the paper, so what's the value of that thing then? So maybe it's more than lakhs and crores, right? So so that's why I'm just saying it's not about a paper, it's about our value. So what determines the value of the paper? It's our self value. So that's why I said like paper is something, it's the true measurement of our self. Okay. So this could be one point, and second point could be like, yeah, it's a yeah, it's a medium of promise. So whenever we are going to do any agreement or anything, so for that time we just consider paper to make that agreement. And because uh, because sometimes people can don't maintain their rules and values over the period of time. So in that case we use paper to get
Okay.
everything at one place. Okay, so this could be a other uses of paper.
You
Yeah.
say, Swaroop, as
Hmm.
you say, Swaroop, the paper have so many means so many use in our daily life. Okay, so you
Hmm.
tell that the paper with the help of paper we can write some our thoughts. Okay, but
Hmm.
means so you tell at that means the paper is giving you in a school. So means I think I thought like that means I'm in school. So what I do to with the paper? Okay, so at
Hmm.
that time if some teacher is giving me the paper, so that time I calculate the some mathematical question on it, and
Obvious.
after that means some for the my practice. Okay,
Hmm.
and after that I make from it one object means one thing that's called
Hmm.
means when at the time of school, when I'm at the time of school, so that time I used to make the paper like a camera. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
so
Got it. Yeah.
yes, so
Yes.
so it is a very interesting thing, and from that we can means from that we can improve our creativity also. Okay,
Obvious.
so
Sort of.
I think it is means it is about the blank paper means we can write something, or we can calculate, and after that means no some space is remaining to put our thoughts or anything else to in that paper. So with the help of that we can make one object or anything else.
That's a good,
And
excellent point. Yeah.
yes, yes. So after that I think we can put that paper in we can also show in means we can also place in our home if we made any creative or any interesting object. Okay, or if that is not useful, or if you want to take outside the dust also, we can do in our choice. Okay, that is my
Hmm.
point.
Obvious.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
Great.
what
So,
about others?
hmm.
Yeah.
So Nikhil, so except all those points that we have been talking about, you say something different. Your point of view about a blank paper.
We use a blank paper in our daily life, just like writing thoughts or agreements, something.
Yeah, that point actually I covered.
Okay, just tell the related points. Okay.
Yeah, you just take your time and think,
Just
because this is the this is
think at
very
very
sounds
basic
simple that
level.
yeah you have to talk about, yeah, you have to talk about a paper, but when it comes to talking fluently, that time you will understand. Now it's hard to talk about a single thing, even it's a paper.
Yes, right.
I have confused now.
Yeah. I we can
Okay,
relate,
Okay,
obviously.
you
just
just take your
think
time.
simply.
Okay.
Okay.
Just think uses of paper.
Yes.
Means and Vikas already talked about that we can make toys, okay, with useless paper. Means having done all the writings and thoughts into a paper, then we can use that paper to make toys and play with that. Second thing, we can do calculation. These are the point he talked about, and I talked about like we can, whenever we are going to make any agreement, we usually use paper. And I also talked about like it will show your true value. Okay, because if you're a PM, then if you signature on a paper, so it means the value of that paper is means more than crores and billions. I don't know even. Okay, but if I'm going to signature on a single paper, so maybe its value is worthless. Okay, so these are the one point. So you just think that means the creative thing means not the normal thing like that. Yeah, it's made out
Okay,
of this.
like that we can write one love letter also.
that
Right?
is that is that
Yeah,
is under that thing that
actually,
you can describe your thoughts and creative thing as well. Yeah.
Yes.
right. Feelings.
Okay, it's up to us.
Yeah, I
Means
want
up
to
to
add one point.
the people.
Mm,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. So I was just saying that paper is a recyclable. Okay. Like we can use that again and again. And also one more point is that like we see that uh, the shopkeeper, okay, any shopkeeper use the paper to pack their food, okay, food or any what we say grocery. Okay, not normally in the very like in the cities, but in the village area they use this particular thing, paper, to pack the their groceries, like you can say sugar, after that
Yeah,
okay,
and
these types
let
of
me
thing.
add little bit. Yes, because nowadays also
Yeah,
government banned the plastic, means uses of plastic. So government
yeah,
are also telling us that use more biodegradable type of thing that we can means recycle, or it's not going to harm the environment. Okay, so for that paper is the one of the thing that is
yeah,
biodegradable. Means if you just throw it, so it will means become how to say means it will help to fertilize the soil. So that thing. So it is a
exactly.
biodegradable thing as well. Yeah, and good for environment as well. So this could be one point.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
just talk, Nikhil, some your opinion about the blank paper or just paper. Use the paper word.
Till he thinking, I'll just tell you one thing. Means for me, the
Really
blank paper
thinking,
is a
I'll just
like
take
a
one thing.
you
Means for
already
me, the
covered that
blank paper
particular
is a
thing.
like you already covered that
Hello,
particular thing. No?
Okay, something
can you hear
echo.
me?
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
something
Okay,
Can you hear
now
me
voice is clear.
now? Voice.
Yes, I have confused because
something
of
Okay,
repeated.
okay,
Something
Okay.
repeated.
okay. Am I audible now
Okay. Am I audible now?
without echoing?
Yeah,
Okay.
you're okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So I was saying that for me, the blank paper is a very like very close to my heart, because like if you I want to do anything, okay, like if I want to uh, means think about my future, okay, so what I do, I just take the blank paper and just write down the points, okay, what should I do, the roadmap of my future, okay, like from one point, from this to this, how I could go. So it's like a creating our life on the blank paper.
Wow.
Yeah, that's an
Yes.
So
excellent point. Yeah.
Yes.
whatever I want to do, I can do it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right. Absolutely.
Right.
With on a blank paper, you can create your life the way you want.
Exactly.
By writing your
Yeah.
goal, your
Yes.
affirmation, your visualization, you can
With
do
the
anything.
yes, with the help of the blank paper, we can also write the means book also.
Yeah,
Book.
that is going
Exactly.
to change others' life. That's going
Yes.
to
Yes.
impact others' life. Yeah. So
Yes. Yes. Right. Right.